There's nothing like opening a new box of art supplies, especially when they've been on your wish list forever. I've got a mixed media haul to share with you today, and some of these had me pretty seriously excited. Stick around to see them in action. Let's get started. Let's just start with this big box and get it out of the way. Starter set of the Aqua ink, and I'm very excited to try these out. I also got some Van Gogh oil pastels. They are not the most expensive. Now, the next two things I'm extremely excited for. I got the 40 Neocolor 1 Caran wax pastels. Now, these are like a crayon, and I actually have the full set of the Neocolor 2s, which I absolutely love. But the difference is these are water resistant, and the Neocolor 2s are water soluble. So I think these will be a great addition when I don't want things to blend out, or if I want to use them as a resist. We'll swatch those after. Then I got a 40 set of Caran Luminance colored pencils. Now, I bought a small set of 20 to try them to see if I was going to like them before buying them. Now, these are new too, and you've actually haven't seen these. I actually didn't unbox these, and I've used them a little, and I absolutely love them. So I'm really excited to see the colors in here, and I bought the portrait set of 20 on purpose because these colors weren't in, like, say, their base set. So I knew if I liked them, I could buy the 40 and get 60 pencil crayons that were all different. I might swatch those as well, but I'm so excited for these. First, though, I'm going to just finish unboxing everything. I got the big One for All Molotow acrylic pump markers, and they're the big wide 15mm ones in the pastel colors. They're refillable, they're light fast, they're a professional. All of these products are professional artist grade products. I'm not 100% sure about the Van Gogh, but I think actually I did research and their light fast ratings were good on these. I tend to try to avoid things that don't have good light fast ratings. I have bought a couple things in the past, but they're things I just use in a sketchbook. I don't use them on finished artwork. And the other thing that was in this package, I'm a little fast at talking, I get a little excited. I bought some zinc white. I thought it might be good for maybe mixing lighter colors because I made a couple of markers and I want them lighter. And I had to replace my titanium white. When I made the markers, I used up the rest of my titanium white, and I'll finish those and swatch those in a different video. All right, let's just set those aside. These are the babies I want to get into and take a peek. So let's start with our Neocolor ones. I bought a small set of the Neocolor ones, and I bought them to make sure I was going to like them. I don't want to spend that kind of money on something I'm not going to use. So here was my first little set of the Neocolor ones. And mind you, I haven't used these much, but I use them enough to know they are awesome. So I bought the bigger set. Just want to grab, now of course we're not going to see the white. They're so smooth. This looks like an interesting color. Oh, that is nice. Now they do crumple a tiny bit, mind you. Well, this isn't too bad a paper. It's a mixed media paper. I would like to write down the actual number. That way it'll be easier to reorder. So this is actually Sahara yellow. That's so pretty. This is lemon yellow. I got so excited I didn't turn the light on. That's about right. And this is just yellow. Oh, so nice. This is just orange. Oh, this looks nice. Is this salmon? Yep, salmon. This is flame red. Now, that looks more orange to me. Flames can be orange. Vermilion. So this is light cadmium hue. So no bad cadmiums, it's just a hue. And scarlet. They're all kind of similar. Pink. Crimson alizarin hue. Oh, that is pretty. Very cooly, kind of burnt red. This is carmine. Oh, I like that. Now this is probably going to be one of my favorite colors. This is purple, but it's like a pink sort of reddy purple. I'll use these as a finishing detail because they're very waxy. You're not going to be able to put too much over top of those. That's lilac. Oh, that's a nice dark, cool purple. And this is violet, which is a nice blue violet. Just looking at the wrapper, it seems way more vibrant, but it's nice to see that they're not garish colors. I mean, they are definitely, some of them are very vibrant. We like vibrant. Periwinkle blue. Oh, that's really pretty. Dark ultramarine. Must just be ultramarine. Prussian blue. And it's easy to fill them in solid because it goes on so nice and smooth. And when you think crayon, it's not like, you know, your other crayons when you were a kid. I wonder if we can smudge these. You can smudge them quite a bit, actually. Let's move right along. We have cobalt blue hue. That is light blue. Right now I don't have anything that's really great for skies. This is light cobalt hue, and I'm hoping this is going to be a good light sky. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Nice and bright and light. Then we have turquoise blue, which I love. At least I do in the Neocolor too. There it is, look at that. Their colors are so clean and beautiful. This one's very hard to read. Malachite green. Oh, that's nice too. Emerald green. Grass green. Oh, even that's nice. It's not over the top. And then we have 230, which is yellow green. Great for sunlight. Light olive, and I believe this is a color I use a lot in my Neocolor 2s, but this doesn't quite look the same. Could be wrong. All right, this is definitely probably going to be one of my go-to colors. Now this is dark olive. I can already tell you this is probably going to be just as nice as this other one. It's a nice muted down green. Raw umber. Oh, that's nice. This must be ochre. Yep. Sienna. No, russet. Now this is burnt sienna. Oh, that's nice. That is a nice reddy brown. And then we have brown. I'm not a brown person, but that's okay. It's nice. Oh, and this has a different wrapper on it. It must be an old one. It's not shiny like some of these, but it doesn't matter. Toledo brown. Okay, I like that brown better. It's cooler and darker. Light gray. Gray. We have Payne's gray, bluer gray. It's a little more crumbly, almost like it's dried out. Might just be that one crayon, or maybe it has to do with the color they have in it. And this is black. There we go. Okay, so those are very nice colors. Can't wait to start using those. Dying to open these luminance. I don't know what it is about them. I don't want to be precious with them because that's not how you should be with your supplies. You need to just get in there and use them. And if you think you're going to be precious, don't spend a lot of money for them then. Especially if you're going to use them in a sketchbook, which that's probably what I will be doing. But I will also use these on finished pieces because they are light fast. Okay, so sturdy boxes. And there, this probably has all their colors. How many do they have? They have 100, so yeah. So if you look here, I bought the portrait set because it didn't overlap in any of the other sets. So that way I knew I'd try that, and if I liked them, I could buy another set and not worry about duplicating. The only problem is now I've got 60, and in order to get to the 100, I'll have to buy single pencils so I don't end up buying pencils I already have, but that's okay because I think these pencils are probably hopefully going to be enough for a while. Let's just start. Oh, look at that. And there, look at that. There's that light. Oh, wait. No, that's silver gray. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Okay, let's not jump the gun. Let's test these bad boys out. All right, which is backwards to the way I want to grab them, but that's okay. These are so nice. Okay, so let me put this so I can, we got 240 lemon yellow. They're so smooth. They really are. And I like they've got the information, the name, and the number right at the end of the pencil. So chances of me not being able to reorder before I don't know what the name is unless it wears off, but it's, you can feel it, it's right in, I'll be okay. With the Neocolors, I find I break them, and sometimes I break them on purpose, or I peel the name off, or yeah, that's pretty. That is golden bismuth. I can't even read it. Oh, golden bismuth yellow. Okay, and that is 820 orange 030. Oh, this pink looks nice. Anthronoid. I have a really hard time seeing small lettering. Anthraquin pink 571. Yeah, so can't even read that. Corlean 850. But yeah, if you're starting out, you do not need to have expensive supplies like this. Permanent red 61. Ooh, that's a nice bright red. And we have scarlet 70. I'm not pressing really hard on these. Again, I don't want to sharpen them. I'm joking. You saw my other ones. I've sharpened them. Okay, so we have purplish red 350. That's a pretty color. Oh, I'm gonna like this one. What is this? Perylene brown. Oh, perylene brown. Okay, 585. Oh, that's nice. All right, so violet 120. So 129 violet. Oh, violet brown. Oh, nice. See, now that is beautiful. What a nice muted violet almost dusky looking. 129, I love it. That definitely probably will be one of my faves. Okay, then we have Manganese Violet, 112. Nice. 862. Burnt Sienna, 10%. Oh, okay, I absolutely love that. So this is Burnt Ochre, 10%. They do that, almost like a muted peach color. Naples Ochre. Wow. Oh, okay, maybe not. It's nice though. It's not what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more linen. Like if you look at how cool that lead looks compared to that. But that's okay. I'm sure next to the right color, it will look linen. 821. And you have to remember, these are just on white paper. Color's relative to whatever you have beside it or what you put it on. Yellow Ochre, 34. Oh, that's different. Oh, I can see that being very useful. Absolutely. So olive yellow, 15. That's pretty. Okay, that takes us to the next row. Let's keep going with our green. This is a bright baby. This is spring green, 470. Okay, now that's pretty bright, but you know what? You can combine that with other things and different colors, and that will be beautiful for highlights and nice sunny grass. Okay, then we have, grass green, 220. And I'm not a fan of this, but again, in the right situation, and of course, pairing it with other colors. So we have a moss green, 225. Oh, this is my green right here. I love this. In fact, I wear this green a lot. Moss green, and we have dark sap green, 739. That's a nice dark. And you know what I noticed? These aren't that crummy. You know, like crumbly. I guess I shouldn't say crummy. Oh, malachite green, 180. I think I'm going to like this. And then we have Prussian blue, 159. That's pretty. Ultramarine. Nope. Phthalo cyan blue, 162. Almost looks like a dark cobalt, but that's a pretty blue. And here we have a genuine cobalt blue, 662. Oh, that's pretty. That is definitely a cobalt blue. Very nice. Now this color, I think, is me. Turquoise blue, 171. These are one of my favorite pencils, by the way. But don't draw on watercolor paper with these. They're just too easy to indent your paper. As I go over that, you can see the actual indent from the pencil. Yeah, that's beautiful. And this is the, okay, so this is a light cobalt blue. This to me, yeah, very nice for skies. And I think this light gray is going to be too. So we have a silver gray. Two. Yeah, that'll be nice for overcast skies. Very nice. And we have slate gray, 495. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. And Payne's gray, 508. Oh, again, feels a little different. Must have something to do with the pigment that they use. And very flaky. Good to know. That's, yeah, so 508. And then we have Cassell Earth. Yeah, 046. Oh, that's crumbly too. All right, so then we have French gray. Oh, that's very nice. 808. A little on the warm side. And we have raw umber, 548. Almost kind of yellowish brown. And coming down the home stretch, 69. Burnt sienna. This is russet. Oh, that's pretty. And this is burnt ochre. Oh, that's pretty too. Okay, so there's some really nice colors there that I know I definitely will use. I'm glad I got the set. So let's pop that back in there. I just want to swatch these and see if there's anything that's similar. So this would be the 20 portrait set. And of course, these are going to be all over the place because I've had them in and out. So 581. Butternut, 542. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. In fact, I don't think I've barely used that one. Quinacridone, purple, 115. Some of these might need to be sharpened. And you know what? I think I can see these are going to go very well with these other ones. Okay, so hibiscus pink, 094. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, that is very nice. We have Carmine Lake. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is really nice. And if you look, that's kind of similar to that, but it's got more of a purpley undertone. This has more of a red, warmer undertone. And we have, I can't even read that, Chrysola Blue. There's so many little letters there crammed together. $6.71. That's okay. Oh, that's pretty. See, I've used these a little plain around, but Warm Earth 40%. Oh yeah, that's very nice. I'm glad I got these just to see. $7.45. There's a lot of nice colors. And as I use them, I'll learn what colors are my favorite, and those are the ones that I'll reorder. And maybe every order I'll grab a couple other new colors to add to my stash and try them out. Terracotta 44. Now, I typically love terracotta, so let's see. Yep, I love it. Here we go. We have Indian yellow. Oh, you can see I went over something dark with that. Or did I? No, I didn't. Where's that coming from? Oh, it almost, oh, maybe I did right there. Okay. And we have, I guess it helps if I don't try to read them upside down. Middle Verdigris. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I'm going to have a nice range of color. This is just pure ultramarine. Oh, that, ooh. And this is Blue Demines. I can't even make it out. It's so crammed together. I think that's BLUE. Yeah. Oh, that is beautiful. Pretty, very pretty. All right, what have we got here? Have I even tried this one? Looks pretty fresh. I have to stop trying to read them upside down. Violet Pink. Oh, that's pretty. That really is. It's just so, it's so dusky sorta. Yeah, there I go again. Anthraquinone Carmine. I could be butchering some of these and that's okay. What is this? This looks pretty bright. Dark Cadmium Orange. And it says something after it. I don't know what it says. It's too many little lines together. Not quite sure. Okay, not a fan, but you know what? It'll work for certain things, or maybe not. Chromium Oxide Green. Oh, looks like something bit my pencil. Might be where it came off. Oh, that's pretty. Then we have, holy lifting. Neon, yeah, I think it's Herculaneum Red. Okay. That's what it is today. It is what it is. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty, actually. Then we have a nice bright yellow. And that is medium cadmium yellow. And I don't know what that is in brackets. It doesn't say hue. Maybe it means hue because I don't think there's any real cadmiums in these. And you can see there's some streaks in these because I played around with these. So I got them a little dirty. Dark Indigo. Dark Indigo. Oh, wow. Okay, so that's almost black, but just a little bluer, which... Wow, see, you know what? I would use this as my black right here. I love that. It's richer. Do you see the difference? Yeah, definitely. This will be one I probably pick each time. So there we go. There are all of my luminance, and that's pretty exciting. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing these supplies and swatches as much as I did. If this brought you a little spark of joy, I'd love it if you gave the video a thumbs up. And if you'd like more cozy, beginner-friendly art videos, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one.